Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to acquire personal access tokens from your Airtable account. This is essential if you want to integrate Airtable with other apps or automate workflows, as these tokens give external applications secure access to your data. First, open your browser and navigate to airtable.com. Once you're on the home page, log in to your Airtable account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has access to the bases you want to connect. After logging in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Builder Hub. This section is specifically designed for developers and users who need to manage integrations and access settings. Now that you're in the Builder Hub, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Under the Developers section, you'll find an option labeled Personal Access Tokens. Click on it. This is where you'll create and manage all the tokens that allow third-party applications to interact with your Airtable data securely. Once you're on the Personal Access Tokens page, click the Create Token button. This will open up a form where you'll configure your new token. Start by inputting a name for your token. Choose something descriptive that helps you remember what this token is used for, like Zapier integration or API test token. Next, you'll need to define the scope of access this token will have. Click on Add a Scope. A list of permissions will appear, and here you can choose what level of access you want to grant. For example, you might select See the data in records if you only need read access, or Create, Edit, and Delete records if you need full control. You can also choose See Comment in records and other options depending on your needs. Select the scopes that match what your integration requires. After setting the scopes, you'll need to specify which bases this token can access. If you want the token to have access to all your bases, click Add All Resources. However, if you only want to grant access to specific bases, click Add a Base instead. This will let you select your workspace and choose individual bases. This step is important for maintaining security and ensuring the token only has access to what's necessary. Once you've configured the name, scopes, and base access, click the Create Token button at the bottom of the form. Airtable will generate your personal access token and display it on the screen. This is a critical moment because this token will only be shown once. Make sure to copy it immediately and store it somewhere safe, like a password manager. You won't be able to see this token again after you leave this page. And that's it. You've successfully created and acquired your personal access token from Airtable. You can now use this token to connect Airtable with other applications and automate your workflows. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.